Well, hey guys, and welcome to day one of the 10-day fruity cocktail countdown. And today's fruit was chosen by one of my wonderful friends. All of them are my wonderful friends, but today's friend is Taunya, and Taunya chose the fruit banana. What in the world are we going to do with these bananas? Now, I like banana flavors, but I have to admit I'm not that fond of banana cocktails. However, I think knowing Tanya's personality and putting together these ingredients, I think this will suit her and her personality very well. And we have so lovely named it with help from ChatGPT, Taunya's Naughty Nana. So let me go over the ingredients. But first, I'm going to grab the glasses. So from my stash of glasses, I chose these two with the stems on them because number one, this is going to feel almost like maybe a mix between a smoothie, a coffee drink, and yeah, so we'll see. We'll just see. But I think it will look cute in these glasses. But first, let's go over our ingredients. So, of course, we have to have our bananas. What you do is take one medium banana and just slice it up, put it in the freezer, and I've had mine out a bit because I didn't want it to be too frozen, but you can use fully frozen bananas, you guys. So one medium frozen sliced banana. You're going to use 1.5 to 2 ounces of dark rum. I've chose the black Bacardi, but of course you can use just the regular light or the other dark Bacardi rum as well. You have to have your Kahlua. You're going to put in about 1 ounce in that. You're going to have some type of cream. I chose this coconut cream because I like the mixture of bananas with coconut. Now, if you don't favor coconut, of course, you can do vanilla, or you can do let's see, hazelnut may go very well with this. I think it'll go pair with really well with this banana cocktail. But today I'm going to do coconut cream. We're going to do about 1 to 2 ounces of that. Then you're going to have your chocolate syrup, which it's up first, because what you're going to do with your glasses is go ahead and drizzle some of that into your glasses. And I'm going to pause for a minute because I want to go throw these in the freezer really quick. And the last player of the game is about a cup of crushed ice. I'm going to use my little ice maker's ice right there. And then we're going to put all these ingredients into the blender cup. Then we're going to blend it. We're going to grab our frozen cups out of the freezer. And then we're going to pour up us a Taunya's Naughty Nana cocktail. So basically all you do is add all ingredients to your blender cup here. And we're going to start off with our 1.5 ounce of dark rum. If you are a fan of dark rum, you can feel free to do 2 ounces. Remember, bananas are naturally sweet, so you're not going to need to add too much sweetener here, and you don't have to be afraid of it. Also, like I said, if you have really frozen your bananas, you don't need to add much ice, but because I didn't freeze mine and I wanted just a little bit more frothier in texture, I'm going to add the ice to mine. Next, we're going to add in our ounce of Kahlua. Then we're going to add in our 2 ounces of cream. And again, this cream is dependent upon you. Whatever your taste buds allow you to taste, it's not going to change the texture of it. It's just going to change the flavor of it. So now we are ready to blend this all up. So let's go to the blender. Blend it until you get to your consistency that you like. I'm just going to choose smoothie on mine. Now you can see the texture of it. If it's too liquidy for you and you want it more slushy, add more ice. If you like it like this with this consistency, keep it like this. I think for mine, I'm going to add just a little bit more ice. Bananas also give you a creamy texture, and so feel free to do that. We're going to go back to the table. I'm going to take my blender glass, and I'm also going to grab my glass out of the freezer. Okay, so along with my glass from the freezer, I grabbed a garnish that I made, which is just sliced bananas with some chocolate drizzled on it. And I grabbed some Ready Whip because we're going to top this Naughty Nana with some whipped cream and drizzles of chocolate. Here it is, you guys. Now remember, we don't want to fill it to the top because we have our whipped cream. And we're going to drizzle that with a little of chocolate. And then we are going to garnish this bad boy with that banana. Ooh, look at that Naughty Nana. Let me give you a side view. As that Nana's garnish soaks down and soaks up all of the goodness, you see it oozing there on the side. I'm going to take a quick picture and we're going to taste this. Okay, here we go, guys. This is it. The ooze is there. Let's taste it. Oh my gosh, this is gonna leave a mustache. I knew it. It's gonna leave a mustache, but it's good. Naughty Nana. I think Tanya's gonna like this. I think she'll like it. Oh, this is good. So until tomorrow, you guys, I'll be seeing you. We'll come back with another fruity cocktail in our 10-day fruity cocktail countdown. Thanks, Miss Taunya, for your Naughty Nana suggestion. And your kids, your grandkids, actually call you Nana. So it fits. It fits. See you guys. Enjoy yourselves. Drink responsibly.